Hey guys, welcome back to RV Philosophy. In today's video, I want to go ahead and review the current camping site that I'm at, which is called Deep Creek Preserve in the Southwest Florida Water District. It is a free campsite. You just have to sign up online and get a reservation, and I'm going to put a link in the description down below for that, so you can go ahead and check that out. So I'm going to pan around here. I'm going to pan around here and give you a good look over. It's a small campsite. About, I think it's 6 to 8 campers can stay here as far as RV campers. Now it does have a section also for backpacking. You can go back in the woods here. It is a preserve, 7,000 acre preserve, I believe. There's no amenities here other than that porta potty. If you can see it off there in the distance, there is that restroom. No showers, no water, no electric. Actually, correct that, it does have water over there in the far distance, little watering trough with a well coming out of the ground, but unfortunately the water stinks, has an odd smell to it, so I certainly wouldn't use it. So all you get here is a table, as you can see, and most of them have a table and a small fire ring that you can use here. The only downside is, as you can hear in the background, I'm sure you can hear that road noise. We're not far from King's Highway, which is a very loud highway. But other than that, it's great. It's free, which you just can't beat. And all you have to do is sign up online, and you get a pad. You can stay up for 7 days at a time, as long as it's not already booked and reserved. So that's it. That's my review of Deep Creek Preserve in the Southwest Florida Water Management District. Comment down below if you know of any other areas in close proximity to this that would be free or close to free campsites to stay at. Thanks guys, I hope you learned something. I hope if you're in the area you get to check out this campsite. See you later, bye-bye.